Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's, and today we're going to take a look at our seat latch and bezel kit for the 71 to 77 Broncos and the 69 to 72 cars. Your original levers may be damaged, pitted, or missing from years of wear and tear. Our factory correct reproduction levers restores the original appearance and functionality of this highly visible part. They install onto the latch release mechanism for both the driver and passenger side front seats. This direct replacement kit includes 2 tapered chrome dress washers, 2 chrome levers, and the mounting screws for a fast, trouble-free installation. So if you're restoring a classic Ford, you can find these and many other quality restoration parts at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.